Tidwell Realty presents 5258 Center Drive in Unity Township. To view this beautiful split entry, call the Tidwell team at 724-832-1100. This lovely living room has recessed lighting as well as a large picture window for lots of light. Here is another view of the living room leading into the dining room. The formal dining room is the perfect spot to enjoy a home-cooked meal. The eat-in kitchen has been completely remodeled and updated. This updated kitchen with island will be any chef's dream to cook in.